Actually, I need to shower. I mean, I need to shave. I'm getting a neck beard, dude.
How are you getting a neck beard? You don't even have any beard.
No, look, there's like...
Oh my god, Chad. No, that's pretty much nothing. Okay. This is like 3 hairs sticking out.
Exactly, I need to shave those 3 hairs.
Having to use everything he can to escape this one. He's going to get stun locked up there. The ultimate from Wicked going to catch him low. Is it quite enough? One more hit. Froggen comes in. He's going to secure the kill. Vander's on there now. Vander's taking low. Froggen gets on towards him. Tam picks himself a kill. They're going to ace the knockout right here, right now.
Hey Freddy, can you hear me higher now?
What?
Am I loud or no?
What?
Oh, Freddy said something, put it in the show, guys.
Where is Destiny going to go? Coop comes out the side, catches off towards first go. Candy Panda though, off the side, with the wild growth doing the damage. Kicks in, straight away exploding!
Peter being toxic again.
It's a joke. Lame is lame, enjoy the game.
So far, Fnatic have done a good job of that. Tanaka, Selfie dives in. Good wild growth for the Super Hot crew. Gonna focus on Sir Reckless. Cyanide's the next one down. Peke off to the side. Can only gold card one man.
Woolite, sing for me. La vita
will be allowed to get up towards the side, and the rest of the team coming around from this one. Woolite has picked up Genji now. Can they get any more from it? Darian split between Countdown and Unlimited, but Diamond the focus for the Copenhagen Wolves. He goes up in the air. Woolite will finish it.